To view your recently watched videos on YouTube, first make sure you are signed into your Google account inside the YouTube app or website. Your watch history is directly linked to your account, so without logging in, this feature will not be available. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to the YouTube website on your browser. Once inside, look for the U tab, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the mobile app or in the side menu on desktop. Tap or click on it to access your personal account dashboard. Inside the U section, you will find several options related to your account activity. Locate the History section near the top of the screen. This area displays a quick preview of your most recently watched videos, allowing you to easily resume content you were previously viewing. If you want a more detailed view, tap on the View All button next to the History heading. This will open your complete watch history in chronological order, starting from the most recent videos you watched. You can scroll through the list, search specific videos, or even remove items if needed. Additionally, YouTube allows you to manage your history settings. You can pause watch history, clear previous activity, or control what gets saved. This gives you full control over your viewing experience. View your YouTube history anytime to find recently watched videos quickly.